Hi friends! So today we are making this cute little keychain, lavender keychain. A friend asked for it, so here we are. The lavender is about 9 centimeters long. This is everything we are going to need. Let's start with keychain and cord, short cord and wire. We have to combine it all together. So first let's put inside this smaller loop our wire. We can bend it down, and the same with the cord, point it down. Now the hardest part, with this short wire, we have to wrap around everything so to secure it. So hold it tight. If you have, you can use some kind of pillars to make it easier for your hands. Let's check if everything is in place. Oh yeah, it's holding. So now cut the cord. Now we have to wrap this cord around the wire to create the stem. So if you pay attention, the cord is twisted in one direction. We have to wrap it in the same direction. So mine is wrapped to the right side clockwise, so going around. The little cords inside will spread nicely and create very smooth surface. And now to secure the end, we have to wrap the wire around the cord. So here. Okay, now it's tight and secure. Cut the cord, but leave the wire. We'll use this part later. Stem is ready, so time to make the flower. So we of course need a violet cord. You can tape everything down. And now we have violet cord, and we are going to make square knots. So fold it in half and place it under the stem. Here. Let's make square knot. So first, right cord over the middle, left on top, left under the stem and through the loop. Tighten this first part of the square knot. And make second part. So left on the middle, right on top, right cord under the stem and right cord through the loop. Let's tighten the whole square knot. Great. And try to make it as close as the keychain as possible. So really high up to the second square knot. Make it like the first one, but do not go up. Leave some space. You can use some separator like small clips like that, or pins, or freehand like I'm going to do here. And second part of the square knot, so left, right and under. Great. And now we have two square knots with some cords between. If I push it up, I'm creating now these cute loops. And the loops are basically the shape of the lavender. So continue making more. I made 5. The bigger the distance between two knots, the bigger will be the loops. Now I made a little more round than this, but I think it's okay. Let's add this end part around the stem. So take one cord, go around everything else. So inside are the stem and the second violet cord. And now with the end, go through the loop from above and tighten it. This is basic overhand knot, but with stuff inside. Now cut unnecessary cord. Cool. Let's go to the leaves. So upside down, take green cord, hold it in half and secure the middle point with this wire. So wrap it around or twice around it. Okay, you can cut this part if it's too long, but mine is quite little, so I'm going to leave it in. And now time for the square knot, obviously. So let's go with right, left, under and through the loop, and going really high up. And second part. Okay, now I have one square knot and we are going to need like 4 more. No gaps between, of course. So just continuously braiding the square knot. Okay, I think this is enough. So we have to secure the ends same way as before under the lavender. So wrap around with one cord, go through the loop, cut unnecessary cord. Now we are almost done. Just bend under the leaf, okay, and twist just the ends, this middle part here. I can see some unnecessary cords here, so I will trim it. Here it is. Thank you very much for watching. This is really lovely, small, cute project. I really like it. I hope you like it too. And what do you think? Which flower should I macrame next? And guys, again, thank you very much for watching. If you like what I'm doing here, so these free tutorials on YouTube, you can support me on Buy Me a Coffee. This is like one-time donation, so if you like it, consider it. I will be very grateful, and it will help me to continue making these tutorials for you. So thank you very much and bye bye. See you soon.